Hello everyone. So, someone asked who were who was the founder of Wix.com. So, Wix is the brainchild of three founders. So, they are Avishai Abrahami, Nadav Abrahami, and Giora Kaplan. So, the idea was born on the beach while they were building a website. So thanks to them, so because of them, we can create amazing websites for free. And if you would like to experience the website builder even more, you can pay for their premium plans. Okay, so you can create amazing websites through Wix.com though. Okay, so I hope that answers your question. So if you like this video, please hit like and then subscribe. Thank you very much.